Hello, and welcome to another episode of Cocktail Hour with Bozorth Beverages. For today's cocktail, we're going to be making our Creamsicle screwdriver. Now, this is a variation on your traditional screwdriver made with our honey orangeade. And our honey orangeade is made with meadow foam honey from the Willamette Valley to give it that nice vanilla creamy flavor. So we're going to start out with our highball glass and a couple scoops of ice. There we go. Then we'll take an ounce and a half of vodka, and we're using Crater Lake vodka again from Bend Distillery in Bend, Oregon. Add that to our glass. And then we're going to fill the rest of the way with our honey orangeade. It's as simple as that. Got our Creamsicle screwdriver. So thank you for joining us this week on Cocktail Hour with Bozorth Beverages. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You can find today's recipe in the description below the video. You can find all of our recipes and our products on our website at bozbev.com. That's BOZBEV.com. Thank you and have a great day.